week after week, SF90 after SF90. Guys, this car's going from Toronto to Dubai.
Alright guys, the time is coming. We got a GLS 600 here. We just wrapped up, snow tires installed.
This man's so loyal, he's even loyal to his rim choice. 4 years later, buying the identical set. I don't want to be selling you a set of wheels that's going to have headaches in the long run. I'd rather sell you something that we can bolt on. At most, I'm going to just have to do a little bit of trimming, and there's going to be no rubbing and no headaches.
You know the backside is going to have all that. Just tap it, and then mount it, take it off, put it together.
Tire package, baby. Yeah, so he's had these rims for 4 years now. I think we've repaired them every single year. We can't repair these anymore. We've just straightened them way too many times. We've done it 4 times. So today he's going to be buying a brand new set of rims and tires, and they happen to be the exact same rims. This man's so loyal, he's even loyal to his rim choice. 4 years later, buying the identical set.
Look at that.
Oh, exactly the same. I thought it was something different.
How could it be the same if it's something different, bro?
No problem. You have the email. You can show the picture to your wife. Okay. Winter shenanigans.
That's what I was saying. Let's go. The guy, he has something to do. He doesn't care. He gets paid by the hour. No.
Done.
Imagine it bouncing.
Alright guys, the time is coming. We got a GLS 600 here. We just wrapped up under an hour. Snow tires installed. These are 23-inch as well. So if you guys have a GLS Maybach with 23-inch wheels, we have the option to get a 23-inch winter tire, so you're rolling all year round.
That's pretty bad, man. So I'll be honest, changing a valve again is not going to change anything. This is not even a valve-related problem at this point. This is a wheel-related problem at this point.
To be completely honest, if I actually had to show my, what was it called? The pre-game interview. I think we got this. If it's not first try, it's second try and max. Like no third try is just charm. Like I'm telling you, it's first try. Let's say something f***s up.
It's not no first night. It's one try.
It's one try, yeah, but then Shaka sometimes gets distracted and doesn't look at the most important part.
No. I'm looking at everything.
Mount it up! Now go around. Go around and press. Press, Fiona. Press down.
I can't press down.
Press more down. Little more down.
Go like, I don't want.
Sure.
Okay, shit.
Tires off this truck, go on this truck. Tires off this truck, go on this truck. He likes Pirellis on his G-Wagon. He doesn't like Michelins. Okay? That's why we're doing it.
Is there another one outside too? I think so. There are 3 of them here? Guys, you guys know what it is, baby. Ferrari Fridays. Follow me. We're gonna hop into a beautiful red horse, and you guys know Vossen Forged. Let's go. And of course, big shout out, guys. Money buys happiness. Let's go, baby. Come over here, guys. Carbon bridge, carbon buckets, carbon door sills, carbon dash, carbon front lip, carbon vents, carbon rear diffuser. Guys, this is carbon on top of carbon on top of carbon, and I'm Carmen. Guys, this is what it's all about with the Ferraris. It's the big ball syndrome. When you got the full plaque, you spent that cheddar, baby. That's what it's all about with the Ferraris, guys. It's about having a full plaque. So all the Ferraris come with a plaque with all the factory options chosen. So if you start doing aftermarket stuff and whatnot, it won't show up on the plaque. So this one here, like I said, it's fully jammed. And we're about to slap that peanut butter on it, baby, for the perfect sandwich. This, baby, another day, another SF90, week after week, SF90 after SF90. You want them fitted? We got you kitted, baby. We got these fitments locked in. Right here, we got 21-inch staggered, Vossen Forged, brush face, marbled, gloss, clear barrels, windows, and accents. Guys, this car's going from Toronto to Dubai. You guys want to see it? It's going to be all over those Dubai viral pages because everything we do goes viral in Dubai, just like that Rolls Royce. Same owner. It's Mr. MMK, baby. Stay tuned for the plate. MMK1, MMK2, MMK3, and maybe even 4. See it right behind me, baby. SF90 Vossen Forged S21-02, one piece, monoblock forged, and of course, the perfect fitment. You guys want them done? Give us a shout, baby. Premier Tire.
I'm recording for my safety.
You already have, bro.
Oh, you brought your own wheels? Oh, that's good.
Stop! No, touching my shit. No, just stop.
Okay, now what?
No, just stop.